What's up, guys? We are in the 370 and we're gonna go see Brandon. But first off, just thought I would share with you guys this car's for sale. Just focused on school. I'm not working as much as I was, so gotta let it go. We'll come back stronger once I'm done with school, you know, got a full-time job, but right now school's more important to me, so this thing's up for sale. Check it out on my Instagram. If you're interested, shoot me a DM. But it'll be gone soon, and we'll be coming back with something a little more practical. Datsun's not going anywhere, so don't worry about that. But let's go see Brandon. What are we doing today, huh?
What are we doing today? We're putting some parts in the VR6.
What is this? We're back in the garage.
Back in the garage.
Got some parts though.
Back in the Raj.
The Raj. With the Rado.
So, I ordered more parts from ECS.
Yeah.
All this wasn't too expensive. Oh, we're also going to find out if I can do an AC delete just by getting shorter belt and not running a compressor.
Ooh.
I read that I might be able to do that instead of getting a bypass. So we're also
just like an OEM belt? From
yeah.
A different car kind of thing?
Oh, Continental. And then we have valve cover gasket. The one I ordered before, if it's over here, whatever. It's for a plastic manifold.
Oh, I got you.
So they're not flat. Little O-rings for the coolant sensors, because I felt it might be important to replace those.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah, when I pulled them out, they were flat.
Ooh,
so.
yeah. Might as well.
Water pump, that's the main thing.
It's a cute little water pump.
So tiny.
It's so tiny.
There you go. So we're going to put these on. And then we're going to go hunting for some other parts.
Well, what's in the big box?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Well, we're not putting it all in.
I feel like it's apparent. I feel like it's kind of obvious what it is. But
we're not putting it on today, but because I have to get the bolts for the pressure plate.
Yeah.
But South Bend clutch, stage 2 daily from ECS. It's $400.
Not bad.
Yeah. Great diaphragm springs, and then what was it? What they call it?
Ceramic.
A ceramic disc. So we're putting that on once I get the
pressure plate bolts.
Pressure plate bolts, and that one should hold like 350 torque or something like that.
It's pretty good. Slapping shit on. All right, we gave up on the valve cover.
So the bolts or the nuts. Gone. The nuts are gone. I'm pretty sure I told myself when I pulled them off
they're crusty.
that I would get new ones.
So
but we found ones that fit, so we're gonna go match them up and get the But right now we're gonna try and get the pulley off because that one doesn't have a pulley.
Aqua pump.
The aqua pump.
Because like a couple of those are rounded out, so it should at least soak in behind it a little bit.
Well, yeah.
Because we haven't worked on cars in so long. Like for real, like worked on cars.
Well, I've been starting to do more. I haven't really recorded any of it.
Let's try it. Alright.
So there's not a belt on the car. So we're going to use my Harbor Freight pry bar.
It's not one of the stripped ones, right?
It is. No, the pulley, I'm saying I can always get a brand new pulley.
Are you suggesting we death wheel it?
No, there's these holes give you access to the water pump. The whole water pump comes.
Oh, okay.
Saying,
like we
just
could
pull
get
it
the whole
all
thing.
out and get a new
Okay, I
pulley.
got you. If we have to.
Yeah.
Do you need a hand? Is it not twisting?
No, that's not straight.
It turned.
Yeah.
Nice.
So,
New pulley. Alright, famous last words. We went to pull the actual just pump out. And right before he goes, Brandon says, these ones won't strip. And
this one's rounded
now
out.
it's so rounded out, he can't even get the extension out of it. A big old yank. Why is it so stuck in there? Oh my god, there we go. Jeez.
All I had to do was turn it, or...
Well, that is a complete circle now.
God damn it.
Oh, come on, dude.
Damn it.
You might be keeping this water pump, Brandon.
No, but it's... No. 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 Intermission.
Cut.
We'll come back to that.
We'll come back to
Come
that.
back to that. Let's continue with some positivity.
Trying.
And
Everything we try, we fuck up.
we're gonna do the O-ring gaskets.
Alright.
Yeah. Clips. They go around the collar of them. We're gonna get something thinner. Your typical oil dipstick should suffice. Just like that.
Oh my god. You're using a dipstick as a tool now?
And then we
No wonder everything we try to do fucking breaks.
pop that clip out to change it.
Yeah, that's kind of cruddy.
Yeah. It looks like somebody used a cooling system sealer at some point.
Nice.
Because there's like, unless it's just the silicone from the O-ring, there's like silicone past the O-ring.
Yeah.
Like some kind of something.
Bunk ass. Fucking.
Here we will place it.
You
and
just wrap it
really relieve.
before you slap it.
I'm really relieved that
Fit? Yeah.
Thermostat housing.
Maybe. Yes.
There we go.
Sick.
Number 3. Let me just go. Straight. We go. Straight.
Who are you? Fucking. Spam calls, dude. Noise. Seated. Very nicely done.
A little clip. And that's number 3.
Might as well clean it all.
Do something about it.
Make it more productive.
Right?
Having it out. Squeaky clean. She's about to go places, dude. She about to fuck.
Toyota.
Toyota?
Yeah.
What?
Let's go places.
Oh. God damn it, Brandon.
Oh, thank you.
Do gasket on.
We'll get the nuts later, but
We at least put it on.
yeah. That way we can feel accomplished in one of our activities.
Nice.
Noise.
Noise.
Noise. Yes. Even though it's not tight.
Alright. We're doing something else.
So now we're going to put the power steering pump back on.
Alright.
Clean up this bracket a little bit.
Oh, look how shiny this thing is now, dude. Ding.
Oh.
Ding. Sheesh. Alright.
It's the
Let's
oil
put this bad
pump.
boy on.
It's the oil pump that came with the car, so.
The power steering pump that came
Power
with the car?
steering pump.
Man, we are out of
Power
it today.
steering Either I'm not in the hole, or this thing... I'm not in the hole.
You're not in the hole.
Damn it.
Damn.
No, I am.
You are. It's long, isn't it?
Yeah, that one felt so long compared to the other.
It's a long bitch.
Fucking hit the little switch. I just flipped the switch.
I just flipped the switch.
Flick. My forearm's getting tired. And that's on my right hand. Yeah, nice.
What the
This should be about spec.
It's good enough. It's your power steering pump. It's fine. If it's tight, it's good.
There we go.
Nice.
Now we can see if the belt makes sense.
Alright, alternator's on now. So we can test the belt. Putting the tensioner back in.
Yeah.
Alright, it fits.
It fits. No AC compressor. I never planned on running AC anyways.
Yeah.
G6 never added AC.
Nope.
So
Not the daily.
but I thought I was gonna have to get a bypass
But it actually fits.
pulley. I got one that's for a non-AC, and it fits. I mean, the only difference is the AC would be here, and you would have a double ribbed belt, so
Right.
the ribs would be on the other side, and it would swing this way and go around.
But now I don't have that problem.
This, yeah, I'm gonna get a new alternator.
Yeah, that one was a little crusty.
Yeah, I might get one from work.
I would. Nothing wrong with the Duralast. It's what's keeping the Datsun running.
Yeah, man. And the main reason is the fucking lifetime warranty.
Yup.
Like if you buy one online, here's a new alternator for you.
Yeah, got you a nice alternator.
Get your car going again.
So bassy. Sick. And we're back.
We're back after a quick intermission.
For you guys.
We have returned.
We returned to the garage. Went and got some parts.
Some hardware. Oh, fuck. And we actually got some bolts for the clutch.
Yeah.
We'll probably do that.
We'll do that another day. Might as well just wait till like I don't know why I get the phone because we were gonna put it on.
Because I want to see it on there. That way.
We'll put it on another time.
No.
No.
Yeah. See, that's a good length.
That's perfect. Hit it with that thread, dude, or take that one off.
Yeah. We don't need these ones anymore.
Got that zinc plated hardware.
Yeah.
Ooh.
These would be good for now. I'll probably do some like dress up hardware in the future. Since
It's a good little
is going to be so exposed, but
DIY.
yeah, for now.
For now.
For now. These are like the perfect size to cover all the holes. Kind of nice.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
It's a nice little contrast on the aluminum.
Yeah. A little bit of gold in there.
Whew. Shit.
It's stupid.
It's so stupid. Dang. Doesn't look as good as like full on dress up hardware, but it looks better.
Yeah, it's okay.
All tore down. Looking good.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
Icy, dude.
Isn't that exciting?
It's becoming more and more of a motor.
Yeah. Very excited. Very, very excited.
We're getting close. So, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. We'll
you
put a
next-
clutch on there. We'll put a wastegate on there.
I mean, I'll put the clutch on when you.
Well,
I'm gonna hang it up. We'll pull it back off and torque it down.
well, yeah, because you're gonna have to get the other bolts anyway.
Yeah.
So
But
you just want to see it. So
yeah.
yeah,
Thanks for watching.
and see you guys later.